everybody! First recipe for 2024 New Year's celebration recipe. This is beef soup. It's called 곰탕. I prepare beef and tendon today. There is a 곰탕 specialized restaurant. People are lining up to eat this soup in Korea. Very popular. This is 10 pounds. But I'm going to cut off only 2 pounds. That's what I need for this recipe. Rest of them, I'm going to make a yukpo, Korean beef jerky. Remove this some fat. This is 2 pounds beef tendon. Around 4 pounds. I'm going to wash this. So here, I'm soaking this beef and tendon in cold water because I want to remove the blood so that when the soup is done, soup is clear looking and maybe just 1 hour is okay. This is how Koreans usually prepare beef. Pinkish, I like to change water. Now my water is boiling. I'm going to put this beef and tendon and blanch. I just boiled this for 10 minutes in hot boiling water. You see fat and also foamy kind of brownish stuff. We have to remove this way. So I'm going to take it out. Rinse this. So cleaned beef is ready here and I will use this pot. So I'm going to wash this nicely. Add water, 6 quarts water. Over medium-high heat, we gotta add something to make this broth delicious. So I want to add this radish. Around 8 ounce radish. And large green onion, in Korean 대파. You can find this in Korean store. And just cut around 2 inches. So I add this and 1 medium-sized onion. And 12 garlic cloves. I'm cooking this for 25 minutes until vigorously boiling. And turn down the heat to medium. Let it boil for a couple of hours until all this beef is very tender and soft and chewy. I like to know that if this tendon is tender enough and also beef is well cooked. Nice, but I can cook just a little longer, and this is tender. Now it's very chewy, but it should be a little softer. So I'm going to put it back. Did you remember this water used to be like this level, and then now it's lower. And radish is very soft now. But we gotta cook a little longer. 30 minutes more. And then I'm going to taste. It should be really nicely cooked. So now it's ready. Full of good 곰탕 smell. It's like a Korean 곰탕 restaurant smell now. Isn't it weird? Okay. Look at that. The color is nice, huh? Nice, naturally kind of a little milky from tendon. I'm going to strain this. It looks deliciously broth, but fat on the surface. I'm going to put this outside the house until it's cooled down, and then this floating fat is going to be hardened. So easily I can get rid of this. I'm going to take this to my patio. Now I'm going to cut this beef and tendon. Lots of collagen from this tendon. That's my favorite. So I use 2 pounds of tendon, but some people don't like the tendon. In that case, just use beef only. So beef, or some people also use the intestine. So intestine is a kind of a tricky thing, so you need to really clean nicely to remove all dirty smell. So you can use 1 pound tendon and 3 pounds of beef. Or just like me, 2 pounds, 2 pounds. And also this is optional, but I always enjoy this. This is 당면, sweet potato starch noodles, or glass noodles. This is, let's see, this is 2 ounces, and then soak in cold water. Now I'm making 계란지단, egg garnish. 2 pinches salt. So I'm going to turn on. Cooking oil 1 teaspoon. And then turn off. All this wipe off. Be careful, it's hot. 계란지단 is kind of a little difficult. Every time I make a 계란지단, always I have to focus on this, how to make it not burn. If it's burnt, color is brown, this is meaningless. It has to be yellow. We made the 계란지단, and the next, this green onion. It's a large green onion, 대파. So without this, you cannot enjoy 곰탕. I put this outside around 1.5 hours, and I cannot wait. Just I need to finish this video. So if you guys do this in the cold winter time, and maybe more than a couple of hours later, it will be solidified on top. But still, I can remove this. I will show you. Like 14 cups. So I like to wash this again. So I'll put it back. To make this delicious broth, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon salt. I'm going to add these noodles. So you remember these noodles? You can use this Korean tukbaegi or just any bowl. But Korean restaurant serves this way, and rice. Like this. Like this. 곰탕 is a lot of meat. When you serve 곰탕, well fermented kimchi or fermented 깍두기, always prepare. You see? And just carefully take it out, this broth. Make it rice hot. I'm boiling over high heat. One more time. So rice and meat is hot. Like this. Ground black pepper. And egg. And then gochugaru. This is optional. So you can, if you like to eat some kind of a non-spicy version, just you don't have to add. But I like the spicy version. Just like a popular Korean 곰탕 restaurant. Okay, let me taste. There. Perfect. This is very hearty food, clear broth, but still my lips are a little bit sticky. One time my mom said after finishing the bowl of 곰탕, she feels like real energy is going up because it has a lot of protein inside. Make your body so warm and cozy and delicious chunk of beef and tender and soft and a little bit chewy. So good. Some people enjoy this way. Scoop some 깍두기 and put it inside and mixing together and eat. Today I showed you how to make a Korean traditional beef soup. It's called 곰탕. I hope all of you have a happy and healthy and delicious new year with Korean cooking. Okay? So enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.